Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve eye health with Warby Parker step by step clearly. To improve your eye health with Warby Parker, begin by understanding your vision needs. Visit the Warby Parker website or a local store to explore their range of eyewear options. Schedule an eye exam if you haven't had one recently. This ensures that you have the correct prescription for your lenses. Once you have your prescription, browse Warby Parker's selection of frames. Consider factors like frame shape, color, and material that suit your style and comfort. Use the virtual try-on feature available on their website or app. This tool helps you see how different frames look on your face in real time. When you select a frame, choose the type of lenses you need. Warby Parker offers options like single vision, progressive, and blue light filtering lenses. Consider adding blue light filters to reduce eye strain from screens. After making your selections, proceed to checkout. Warby Parker provides various shipping options for your convenience. Once your glasses arrive, wear them regularly to ensure optimal vision correction. Keep your frames clean and in good condition to protect your eyes. If you experience any discomfort or changes in vision, schedule a follow-up appointment. Regular checkups are crucial for maintaining eye health over time. Consider Warby Parker's subscription service for regular assessments and new lenses. This can help you stay on top of your eye care needs seamlessly. Finally, adopt healthy eye habits in your daily life. Take breaks during screen time, maintain a balanced diet, and stay hydrated. Incorporating these steps can significantly enhance your overall eye health with Warby Parker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.